In this video, you will see how premium cooking oils are made from these avocados.
Jingle dust.
Don't forget to subscribe to the New Generation Process channel to watch more interesting videos like this.
Keep pushing the goods in. Watch the left side. All right, keep that pace. Keep the water flow steady. Prepare for the next batch. Maintain water pressure. We need them perfectly clean.
Keep an eye on the ripe ones. We need consistency. Initiate the extraction sequence now.
Initial pulp integrity looks excellent for milling. This crude sample looks promising, and I'll run initial density tests.
Our goal is a premium avocado oil, targeting the discerning consumer.
So luxury, health, and natural purity are key messages.
This segment shows strong demand for organic and cold-pressed.
We need to stand out from existing brands with a unique visual identity.
Think natural elegance, a touch of understated luxury.
Green, gold, and earthy tones will convey that perfectly.
The lines should be clean, reflecting purity.
How about incorporating a subtle A shape within the leaf?
We need something that feels both modern and trustworthy.
A strong, clean typeface will communicate premium quality without being too ornate.
The feel in hand is crucial for a luxury product.
I think a more elegant, elongated neck would elevate it.
This deep green evokes nature and richness.
And the gold provides that premium, subtle shine we're looking for.
The material choice needs to reinforce the natural and high-quality feel.
A textured label would add another layer of sophistication.
It's starting to really come alive. We're on the right track.
Just a few more refinements to make it perfect.
This is a strong foundation. We're ready for the next design phase.
I agree. The vision is clear now.
The bottleneck needs to be slimmer for easier grip when pouring the oil.
Yes, this dark green highlights cold press better.
This metallic gold will look very luxurious with hot foil stamping on the black label. Make sure the organic logo is in the most visible position. Excellent. This design perfectly conveys freshness and premium quality.